All right, we're page 159 here. We just did volume of a sphere. Remember, volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Now we have surface area of a sphere. If you have a cheat sheet that you're writing down all your stuff on, I would grab the cheat sheet and write down these right now. So volume of a sphere, 4/3. Sorry, that's not a very good 3. 4/3 pi r cubed. Surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. It's squared because this is what? What? No. Think it's surface area. Volume. What?
The area of the surface.
It's the area of a surface, which is how many dimensions? 2 dimensions. So 2-dimensional, radius squared. It's not a coincidence. 3-dimensional, radius cubed. Not a coincidence. So 4 pi r squared. Why it's 4? I don't know, but yeah, it's exactly 4 pi. Pi is a miracle number. It's not like, you know, Joseph from Code of Many Colors, and no, Joseph in the Technicolor Dreamcoat, where he says, "I am a miracle child." No. This is just a miracle number. Pi. So 4 pi r squared, and other than that, that's really the biggest thing you need to know on this. We're going to go over a couple of examples. Let's go. Okay, well, example 16, they just give you all the stuff, and so we're just going to skip that. Guided practice 3, same thing. So guided practice, example 17 on page 160, we're going to look at that. Tennis ball is a surface area, 14,000, can you turn that off for me? 14,095. Point what? 0.46. Find this, so you write what you know this is the surface area. So I write down that equals 4 pi r squared. This is the point where calculators become very, very handy. All you have to show when you're doing this work is, hey, I'm dividing by 4 pi. I'm dividing by 4 pi. Those cancel each other out. And then on your calculator, you have to do 14,000 divided by, what do you have to remember to do here? Yep, parentheses have to go around 4 pi. So 14,000, 95.46 divided by 4 times. Do we use the actual pi symbol in the calculator, or do we use 3.14? Nope, 3.14. Look, your book will tell you. It says use 3.14 as an approximation for pi. What'd you guys get? What? Or not pi, but r squared is what you should get here. Anyone get it yet? What do you get?
1,122.25.
Yeah, so what you guys got? Okay, type it in again then. We gotta understand how to do this on the calculator.
My calculator does something weird. I'll show you after.
Okay. As long as you understand how to do it right now, it's the biggest thing. 14,000. Did you get it? No? 14,095.46 divided by, you gotta put the parentheses. Parentheses are right above the numbers in the calculator. 14,095.46 divided by parentheses. Parentheses are right here, right above it. Parentheses 4 times 3.14 end parentheses. And what do you have to do then afterwards? Because you're trying to get, wrong thing, you're trying to get r squared by itself. What do you have to do to undo r squared? What is the opposite of squaring a number? What? Finding square root. So we take the square root of this, we take the square root of whatever this big number is up here. I hit second, and then square root is right above x squared. So I've got square root, and then I hit second again, and I hit answer above the negative button. That just means that means the other thing. Yes, could I type in 1122.25? Yeah, I could, but it's a lot faster to just hit second answer. Learn the shortcuts. You'll do a quarter amount of the work, I promise you. 33.5. Got it? No?
I was like really close, and then I typed something, said clear it all.
Well, then go back to the beginning.
I know, but
14,095.46 divided by parentheses 4 times 3.14 end parentheses. Square root of second answer. Or second, the negative parenthesis sign. That's where the answer thing is. So the answer is R equals 33.5. Does anyone have the label for that one? I don't have it in front of me.
1,122.25.
Yep.
I got it.
0.25, and then you have to find the square root of that.
I don't know.
Well, think. If this is your formula, you've got this right here. Do you really think your radius is going to be 11,000?
Yeah.
No.
How do I do that?
Square root. To find square root, you got to hit second, and then you find where it says square root, which is that little blue up there. So then you'd hit second and square root.
Which one's square root?
With the x squared button. Right above the x squared button, it has a little square root sign. So you have to hit second because that means that's the button, but only whatever the blue thing for the button is. Second square root, and then you hit second answer, which is down here, and it will give you, well, right now it would give me a square root of 33.5 because that was what my answer was previously. But here it would have given me the answer 33.5. Okay. And let's do guided practice number 4, and then you guys can start on the assignment.